Welcome to the StatTree video module for Ordinal Descriptive Statistics. After collecting and scoring your data, the next task is summarizing your data. How you summarize ordinal data depends upon how it was scored. This video will cover just the ordinal descriptives, such as any ranking variables on your survey. You will need 3 ordinal variables for this demonstration. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, Question 1 ranking show preference is ordinal with 3 nominal values: drama, action, and comedy. Although this example represents only one survey item, the data collected from this item will need to be scored into 3 different variables. If you are importing directly into RStudio from an Excel file, there are 2 methods for scoring this ordinal data survey item. The type of information you wish to derive from the data will determine the method chosen. The first method involves creating 3 variables listed as first choice, second choice, and third choice. This method provides the researcher with the opportunity to make frequency or percentage comparisons across degree of preference. The second method, and the method chosen for this demonstration, involves creating 3 variables for each of the possible choices listed as drama, comedy, and action. This method provides the researcher with the opportunity to make frequency or percentage comparisons between choice options. The second method for scoring rank order data also provides for analyses involving other variables, such as comparing first preferred show types between groups of study participants. Once you have created this data file, you will need to import it into RStudio. See the video demonstration on importing data into your statistical program in StatTree Help. With the PEVS dataset loaded into the global environment in RStudio, you would choose drama, action, and comedy as the 3 variables for the table. To calculate descriptive statistics for a variable in RStudio, create a new script box. In the script box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. R will generate an output in the console window with the requested information. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.